Ako rin si Chris Schuf, his son, the
Yes.
operations director, and his longtime girlfriend Amanda Eliscopides, who is the sales and marketing director. Slow-mo replay mula sa round number 2.
That was a head. Clash of heads. But you know, Big U to me is getting the better of Banal in this fight so far. I want to be as objective as possible, and I think Big U with his flurries is stealing the rounds.
Ito po ang round number 3. Fight for the WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight title, AJ Banal versus Big U sa round number 2. Dahil sa isang di sinasadyang umpugan, merong hiwa si AJ Banal sa kanyang scalp on the right side, Ron.
Alam mo na, Anton, itong laban na ito, the fighter who has the bigger heart is going to win this one. This is going to take a courageous fighter. Banal has got to prove that he's got a fighting heart against his Big U. Big U shot him with a good right.
Ronnie, binigay natin ang round number 2 kay Big U.
Because he fights in flurries, and at the end of the round, he steals the round. That's what he does. He connects with a lot of punches in the end of the round. Banal has to fight a little more, you know. He's got to fight an intelligent fight to beat Big U. That time he caught him. That was a good uppercut. Good combination again by Banal.
Banal susubukang bumawi pagkatapos ng kanyang kaisa-isang talo at the hands of Rafael El Torito Concepcion.
Sabi niya sa akin, he will redeem himself. Oh, beautiful right and left by Banal.
Oh!
Big U
Solid
comes
left
back.
by Big U!
He places Banal
si
once to the body. Banal has got caught with the left.
Tihado si Banal, Ronnie. Pero konting gulang, tinulak si Yu using the shoulder.
Yu is putting the pressure on Banal. Banal has a good right
Uppercut again.
uppercut.
Maganda yung mga pinapakawalang uppercut ni Banal, Ronnie.
Now that's what he's doing. He's getting out of trouble, moving around. But Big U is putting so much pressure on him.
Oh,
It's
good
unbelievable.
jabs by Banal.
And a hard left. Good combination again. Rock the head of Big U back, but he's coming back.
Oh! Isang jab! Shot to the body by Banal. A variety of punches dito po sa round number 3.
Pero believe ako ito si Big U.
Oh, tinatanggap niya yung mga suntok ni Banal. He's absorbing the punches of Banal.
Banal is hitting him with
solid
everything.
punches.
But he came back with the right uppercut, Big U. But Banal caught him with a flurry there.
Big U with the blonde hair.
Grabe
Colored
itong,
in red a little bit.
grabe itong laban na ito. This is the best of boxing. No question about it.
Dugo
Sobrang
sa
ganda.
sandugo, labanan ng mga kampiyon. This is for the WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight title.
Puro dugo dito.
Oh, body shots by Big U. Oh,
Another
another
good
one.
hard body shot against Banal. Alam mo na, he probably learned something from Rafael Concepcion after watching that fight. Because he's working to the body, trying to suck the energy of AJ Banal.
33 segundo na lang po ang natitira dito sa round number 3, fight scheduled for 12, Bantamweight division.
And the combination ni Banal. Right, and uppercut, good left hand by Banal. Maganda yung mga kaliwa niya. Banal trying to turn this fight around. Maganda yung performance na itong round na ito sa AJ Banal. Pero Big U na. Kain na yung mga leather, pagkatapos balik na. Good flurry by Banal towards the end of the round.
Under 10 seconds here.
This is Banal round. Big U.
Good jobs by AJ Banal. End of round number 3. Uy!
They hit each other after the bell.
Time now for the Cobra Tunay na Lakas Punch of the Round.
Tignan natin ang slow-mo dito. Isang matinding left straight. 1-2 combination
Kaliwa, left hook.
by AJ Banal. Philippines versus South Korea.
This is a fight to remember.
As we enter round number 4, this fight is for the WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight title. AJ Bazooka Banal ng Ala Boxing Gym versus Big U. Pero again, Ronnie, merong tubig sa corner ni AJ Banal. Delikado yan.
Oo, delikado yan.
At sa ating unofficial scorecards, Ronnie, binigay natin kay AJ Banal ang round number 3.
He fought a much better third round. He caught Big U with some really good, solid shots. Beautiful right hand by Banal. Now he's got Big U in a little bit of trouble, but this fighter, this Korean, I mean, he takes the punches and comes forward. I mean, he keeps eating leather, but pasok ng pasok. Sugod ng sugod itong bata.
He's never been knocked out in his career.
Never been stopped in his career.
Oh, that was
Right.
a solid one.
From way out. He took the right from way out, and
Suntok sa bodega by Big U.
he's trying to weaken Banal by working to the body. Yun ang tactical niya. Banal catches him with a good
Nakakapasok ng 1-2 combination si AJ Banal.
And alam mo na yung ginawa ni Banal, he's moving around a little better now. Staying away from the punches of Big U. But Big U is trying to force him into some close quarter combat.
Right and left hook mula kay Big U, pero may sagot si AJ Banal. A solid right jab. Maganda yung mga pinapaulang variety of combinations by AJ Banal. Isa at kalahating minuto na lang po natitira dito sa round number 4.
The cornerman of Big U encouraging him is Coach Hirano of Japan and Yoon Soo of Korea.
Ito po ang round number 4. Scheduled for 12 para sa WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight title.
Excellent fight. Talaga yung mga 25-30,000 people na dito na manood sila.
Dito po sa Carlos P. Garcia Stadium, Tagbilaran City, Bohol. And
They're getting a great fight.
Yes.
Great fight. Oh, hard right by Big U again.
Dito sa round number 4.
Alam mo yung Big U, he when he wants to put some power, he pulls his right hand back and throws it from way out. Pero Banal is outboxing him now, at least at this stage of this round.
Bumubukas ang depensa ni Big U.
Oh, maganda. He hurt him. You thing is, when he hurts Big U, he comes back. He says, come on, and he cracks him with another
Palaban.
left. Yeah.
Double jab. Oh, 1-2 combination by Banal.
Another good left hand by Bazooka Banal.
But you know, Big U covering up here, Ronnie.
Pero he breaks through the defense and catches him with solid blows, but he still comes back. Iba yun.
So Big U trying to go to the body. And again, Bruce McTavish calls for time.
His glove, the lace around his glove is a little loose. So they're going to fix that, to cut it, or to patch it up. Big U, that's a breather for Big U actually. It's actually a breather for both fighters because this is a war. This is a war, absolute war.
Fight continues here with 15 seconds remaining dito po sa round number 4. AJ Banal versus Big U ng South Korea.
Alam mo na si Banal is far more effective because he's moving around. He's moving to the left. His lateral movement is good.
Solid combination by Bazooka.
Big U, and that goes the bell. That was a good round.
End
for
of
AJ
round
Banal.
number 4.
Time now for the Cobra Tunay na Lakas Punch of the Round.